Hi everyone, it's Debbie Ann. I've just finished a new printable collection. This one is called Floral Symphony, and I've printed it out so that I can show you what it looks like. So you've got some vintage flowers, some watercolor effects, some stamps, some old tape, and then there's a sheet of 6 tags with either flowers or butterflies. And then there are 2 floating pockets. So what you do with these is you cut around the image and then you fold it here, and when you fold it over, then you've got your little pocket that you fold up. So then you have some design on the back of the pocket and design on the inside and front of the pocket. And so there are 2, and each one has a couple of little labels with some words on them, and then some bees on a couple other ones. The second kit is a set of 6 collage masterboards. So what you could do with these is just print them and use them as extra journal pages, or you can tear them or cut them and use them on collages. So these would be great background. So here's the first one. And then this one. And then there's a freebie, which is this little coin envelope with 3 tags and 3 labels that you can fussy cut and add to the tags themselves. You could write something on these, or you could use some stamps, ink stamps if you have them. And this is fairly straightforward. You simply trim around the entire thing, and then this is the edge that you fold, and then you fold here and top and bottom. So you seal one of the ends, and then the other one is your flap so that you can add your items inside. There is a little video on the page where you can download this freebie over on my website, just to give you a general idea if you're new to making pockets and envelopes. And then the last piece of the collection is a Patreon exclusive, and it's a set of 6 botanical cards with the same watercolor effects with 6 little labels, and these are what my patrons are going to get this month. Now I have company until the end of the month, so I will not be uploading any new videos during that time. But I will be gathering up the supplies so that I can get started on some projects with this collection. What I think I might do is make a couple of traveler's notebooks with these covers, and then I dug out this pretty little cover here. So that might be part of the plan. But as soon as I have something to share with you, I'll be back. So the collection is called Floral Symphony. It's available in my Etsy shop and on the website, and if you go to the website, there's a discount code to get 10% off. I hope you're having a great week, and I will see you back here soon. Bye!